Hi, this is Jill from Humu Yoga, and in today's demonstration, we're going to be doing drop backs into Urdhva Dhanurasana. And I'm going to show it using the wall, and then I'm going to explain it and teach it, and then I'm going to show it using two boxes that will represent furniture like a chair or a sofa or maybe a counter. So let's go ahead and get started. To use the wall, the distance is going to vary from person to person. So I'm just going to do the demonstration out about right here. So here we go. So to break that down, for some people, you might want to be closer, especially if you have some restriction in your shoulders, you feel really tight there, or maybe your low back is tight. Or if you're just unsure, right? You can start a little turned out if that's in your body, or your feet could be straight ahead. My hips tend to turn out, so I do that. And then you just want to make sure you have your tail under, right? Hands can come to prayer position, but make sure your sternum is really open and your head is back a little bit, right? In alignment with your spine. So as you begin to reach the arms, did anything change in the head? See if you can find that. And then the shoulders will elevate, but also externally rotate. In other words, they're rolling away from your ears, like that way, right? And then you, with the head back and the arms reaching, lift up through the sternum and find the back bend in the upper back first. Then start to take the tail under a bit and feel the hips lifting upward. And maybe you touch the wall, and this is a great back bend for you, right? Inhale, lift, and then you rise up. So in the demonstration, I went a lot deeper, but the principle is exactly the same. And now we're going to meet at the wall again with the boxes. See you soon. Okay, I got the boxes set up. Notice how I have them against the wall. Make sure if you're using a piece of furniture like a sofa or a chair that it's very sturdy, or that it's up against a wall. Now we're going to come into the demo. So I start off the same way. And I'm just going to demo and then I'll break it down. So find a height that's doable for you. So it helps to start off with the wall and see how low you can go. And then you could kind of compare it to perhaps a piece of furniture you have that's nice and sturdy. Then once you've found that, everything's the same. We start off in a sturdy position. Mine tends to be a little turned out because that's just the way my hips are. And then I find myself in this nice position, right, where I'm opening the heart, reaching the arms. Same thing here. You want to elevate and externally rotate. Let's focus on the upper body first, really reaching up. And then once I've got that, and I keep my head in alignment, right, with my arms, then I start to take the tail under and feel everything lifting up. I lift up. Now I can feel my pelvis coming a little forward and up. I'm reaching. I find the box, I lift up, I try to straighten my legs and lift up, breathe, and then rise up using the legs. Dropping back to Urdhva Dhanurasana. So using furniture, using the wall, it's accessible to everyone. Enjoy.